All right, so I'm right-handed. I'm going to step inside of it this way. Right hand to the top, left hand to the bottom. The next thing we want to make sure is that our right hand, our top hand, is directly above our takeoff foot. When we've taken all the slack out of the strap, that is the position it should be in. And remember, we're practicing this not only for strengthening our bodies, but to also learn the body position correct for takeoff. If you get into the habit of bringing your foot too far behind your top hand, this is the position you're going to be teaching your body. This is not the correct position we want to be during a takeoff. By the same token, if you consistently put your foot too far out or away from your top hand, beyond your top hand, this is the position you're going to be teaching your body to take off. And that also is not correct. So be sure you take the time to line up the correct position so that your takeoff foot is directly below your top hand. Once you've done that, take a little piece of tape, just plain old athletic tape will do. Put that on the floor, the gym floor, wherever you're practicing this drill. And that's how you want to line up each and every time so that this is the position you achieve at takeoff. That's the correct position. Top arm is straight. That top elbow is not bent like this, okay? The bottom arm is also pressing up and forward. We're not blocking out or turning our body as we do that plant. We're not doing this to get the arm out there. We're keeping our chest square to that imaginary pin in the distance, or you can think of it being square to the wall behind you. The chest is driven up through the pole. That right arm again is nice and straight, and we're thinking of pushing the pole to the vertical. The right arm is not passive. It's not just hanging out there. It's thinking of staying very rigid and almost pushing forward, although because this is a non-elastic strap, you don't see my hand, my right or top arm, moving forward. But in fact, that's the muscular movement I'm trying to achieve. And what that does is it keeps my chest behind the pole. I don't get sucked up into the pole. I am keeping that arm locked. My latissimus muscle, my shoulder girdle is tight, and I'm trying to stay as straight as I can from my top hand to my bottom toes. Over and over. My left hand, which starts in my field of view, raises and gets pushed up out of my field of view.